Pickle.
You are.
Yeah, shut up, honestly.
You're gonna, you know what? Next summer you're gonna be wearing your string yellow.
Jamin. Which way did he go?
Kai. Come.
These students visited an elephant sanctuary, and this elephant slapped a phone away. These are striped eel catfish, and they swim together as a giant group to protect themselves from predators. This cat just got a brand new automatic litter box.